Imagine you're going about your day. Everything seems completely normal. Then in a single instant, Earth suddenly stops orbiting the sun. No warning, no countdown, just stop. Would we crash into the sun? Would we be flung into deep space? Or would something even worse happen at first? The answer is far more terrifying than most people realize. Before we talk about the planet, let's talk about you. Right now, Earth is racing around the sun at nearly 67,000 miles per hour. That's 107,000 kilometers an hour. If Earth somehow stopped moving around the sun instantly, everything on the planet would already be in trouble. Here's why. Objects in motion stay in motion. You, the oceans, the atmosphere, buildings, everything would continue moving at that enormous speed. The result? Winds faster than any hurricane ever recorded, massive earthquakes, tsunamis hundreds of feet tall, entire cities would be destroyed within minutes. But that's not the only thing. If Earth's orbital speed somehow disappeared instantly, a scenario that breaks the laws of physics, so let's imagine something a little different. Earth magically loses only its motion around the sun while staying intact. What happens then? The planet begins to fall. Earth doesn't orbit the sun because it's standing still. It's actually consistently falling towards the sun while moving sideways fast enough to keep missing it. Take away that sideways motion and Earth begins falling straight towards the sun. At first, you probably wouldn't notice anything by simply looking outside. The sun would still rise and set. The seasons would instantly disappear. But behind the scenes, our entire solar system would have changed forever. As Earth falls inward, gravity keeps pulling harder. Our speeds increase every single day. The closer we get, the hotter things become. Global temperatures start rising, polar ice melts, sea levels climb, heat waves become more intense than any humans have ever experienced. Crops begin failing, fresh water becomes harder to find, and eventually, many parts of Earth become too hot for people to survive outside. The final months, eventually, Earth gets so close to the sun that survival becomes impossible. The oceans begin evaporating, the atmosphere grows thicker with water vapor, trapping even more heat. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect. The same process likely turned Venus into the scorching world we see today. Surfaces, temperatures soar, forests ignite, the skies darken with smoke and steam. Life on Earth rapidly disappears, and if Earth continues falling, it would eventually be torn apart or consumed by the sun itself. But could this actually ever really happen? Thankfully, no. There is no known natural event that could suddenly stop the Earth's orbit around the sun. Our orbit is incredibly stable. The only way this scenario could happen is through impossible physics or unimaginably powerful outside force. So, while it's fascinating through experiment, you don't need to worry about waking up tomorrow and watching the Earth fall into the sun. It's amazing to think that every second of every day, our entire planet is flying through space at 67,000 miles per hour. Yet everything feels perfectly still. That delicate balance between gravity and motion is what keeps Earth exactly where it needs to be. Break that balance, and our home would become unrecognizable. So here's a question for you. If you could witness any event in the universe from a completely safe distance, what would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And if you love exploring mind-blowing what-if scenarios, make sure to subscribe because next time we're asking an even bigger question. What if Jupiter suddenly disappeared overnight?